OnePlus Open was the first foldable that was coming out of OnePlus on August 29th, but there seems to be a leak that shows that it has been delayed. Some CAD related based renders showed up in June. That time the company had just confirmed the name, but rumors stated that it is delayed from the initial launch in order to change the screen maker. Now it looks like the claim is substantial. A new set of OnePlus Open renders have leaked, and this shows the pre-production unit's visuals. If you compare the side-by-side comparison, the aspect ratio of when close has changed a lot. Now it is more reminiscent of the Oppo Find N2. It seems to be smaller than before. The two images side by side are not of the same scale, since the circular camera island seems to occupy more of the space on the back. Rumors saying that it will still be larger than the Oppo Find N2. The speakers have been moved around for better audio and the frame has been tweaked. The inner display selfie camera has been moved from the top left corner in the portrait mode to the top right. On the rear, Hasselblad logo is just an edge sitting above what appears to be a TOF or LiDAR sensor. The alert slider is still in. The fingerprint scanner is embedded in the power button. The rear has a leather texture. According to rumors, the Oppo or OnePlus Open will get a 7.8-inch inner screen and 6.3-inch outer screen. Both will be 120Hz refresh rate, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, aided by up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage. Both the main and ultra wide camera are expected to be 48 megapixels, while the telephoto camera will be 64 megapixels. The OnePlus Open will be powered by 4800 mAh battery with up to 67-watt fast charging support.